What is this?
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for Central Fairfield County.
Why did it do an advisory?
Southeastern New York, Westchester County in southeastern New York until 10:30 a.m. At 7:23 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain in Danbury area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring.
Oh, PDS.
Hazard. Flash flooding
Oh, it's not a PDS.
Source. Radar. Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets,
I don't know why I went out for an advisory.
drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bridgeport, Stanford,
Why did I go for an advisory?
Skill, Southbury, New Canaan, Haverstraw, Tarrytown, Mount Kisco, Mahopac, Lake Carmel, Nyack, Sherman, Brewster, Cold Spring, Bluetown, Fairfield, Greenwich, and Trumbull. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New York: Putnam, Rockland, and Westchester. Flood warning in effect until 9:15
What was that?